Hi guys, welcome to Ademola TV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Wednesday, as well as known, we guys celebrate our female celebrity today. Our female celebrity we are celebrating is in person of Regina Chukwu. Woo! Okay. Let's get straight to the point. Alright?
Regina Chinedu Chukwu. Today we celebrate the strong and courageous woman and epitome of beauty. Regina Chinedu Chukwu is an actress and a producer who is from Enugu State, Nigeria, in southeast Nigeria. Most of her movies are mostly Yoruba, that is in southwest Nigeria. Regina was born on March 23rd in Iyanakwaja area of Lagos State. Regina attended Alimosho Grammar School for her secondary education and later studied business administration at the Lagos State Polytechnic. The strong single mother of two teenagers, Rachel and Richard, lost her husband 4 years ago into their marriage before joining the industry. The actress had a crush on Genevieve Inaji, Saint Obi, and Richard Mufe Damijo, and also Ramsey Noah. Talking about her career, she joined the movie industry in 2003, starting off as a makeup artist. Regina has featured in popular soap operas such as Family Ties, Super Story, Family Torso, and Face to Face. Regina has featured and produced so many Yoruba movies, namely Akun, Ewa Tomi, Idaru Awolu, Ati Awalu, Oguso, Oju Ogbemileyi, Atunrota, and so many more. In 2013, Regina movie Akun was nominated for Africa Magic Viewer Choice Award, Best Yoruba Movie. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all the love the art can give, join us with a loud ovation as we celebrate our beautiful actress, Regina Chukwu. Woo! Okay.
Like, comment, share to your family and friends and your loved ones, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platform at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Threads at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at Ademola TV Plus. You can also follow me personally on my Facebook account at Otes Ademola and my Instagram account at Otes Ademola. So you can come to this channel more often and often, so you can be able to see more of content or videos we posted daily on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. So till next week when we come your way again, I say bye.